Hi, my name is Wesley, and I will be presenting the S1R strategy. So the definition of the S1R strategy is that it is a reading strategy that has 5 parts into it. Which is survey, read, underline, notes, and review. So in survey, you would read the title, introduction, headlines, subheadings, and summary. And then after that, you would just read each section carefully. And then after each section is read, you will go back and underline or highlight any key information that you found while reading the section. And then you will take notes. Usually you take notes on the things that you highlighted or underlined. A quick tip would just to be writing short phrases for you to easier to understand, and ask yourself any questions that you think will help you when you review. And then it is always good to summarize the key points of every section. The last step would just to be review. You will go back and review your notes, and you can use your notes to help you study using methods like creating flashcards and creating a study guide. So what does research say about this? Research says that the S1R strategy significantly boosts comprehension and enhances active engagement. It also enhances focus while reading by structuring the process into key steps. I couldn't find the source for the actual source for this, but I found it in Van Blackram's textbook. And then another research article that I used was by Yu in 2015, where she conducted a study about highlighting. One quote that I got from her is that highlighting could ironically impair memory for critical information by preventing students from studying the information in a way that effectively promotes long-term retention. So though this research does not directly address the S1R strategy, it fits into the note-taking category of the S1R strategy and shows how highlighting helps with memorization and long-term retention. So how I have applied it. So I have specifically applied the strategy while reading Raynar's article in 2016 while I was doing my reflection. While reading the article, I followed all the 5 steps of the process: survey, read, underline, notes, and review. I also applied it while studying for a midterm for my geology class, Natural Hazards and Disaster, in which I used the S1R strategy on my textbook because I couldn't memorize and understand a lot of things I was reading. Learning outcomes is that, firstly, it made me actively engage with the text. I was able to stay focused and retain more attention. It also has helped me grasp the main ideas, identify key points, and all in all helped me comprehend the materials more. For example, while reading the geology textbook, I was able to grasp difficult concepts that I failed to understand while listening in class. It also has helped me achieve my learning goal of a deep understanding of the materials that I'm reading, as I was able to extract the meaning and comprehend more effectively. It has also helped me achieve my studying goal, as I was able to achieve a B+ for my exam. So how I would adapt it for future use? I would adapt the strategy in the future by implementing it on materials I find too challenging. If the material is too short and simple, and I have the confidence to comprehend it immediately, I would simply just do what I usually do, which is just to read it once. I would also revise or add on a different reading technique or pair with a different reading technique to the strategy. For example, if I'm reading a difficult research article, I might reread the materials again before taking notes. Or if I'm reading a story, I might create a character map instead of taking traditional notes to help me learn better. I would also use online resources to guide my reading such as web search, and ChatGPT could be a helpful tool for things I don't understand when I'm taking notes. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.